How to set up Snapchat to delete messages. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In order to set up Snapchat to delete your messages automatically or manually, here's what you can do. You can go ahead and set Snapchat messages to delete automatically by opening your Snapchat, log into your account and tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to Access Settings. Under Account Actions, you will see the option of Clear Conversation. Go ahead and tap on that, and you will see the list of conversation that you can delete. And you can delete all of them at once, or you can choose them individually to delete them. And if you want to set the Snapchat messages to delete it from your conversation page, go ahead and open any chat that you want. And then tap on Chat and Notification Settings. And tap on Delete Chats. You will get 3 different options of deleting your chats after viewing, 24 hours after viewing, and 7 days after viewing. You can choose immediately after viewing, and after that, if you want to manually delete the messages, press and hold on to the message that you want to delete. Then tap on Delete option, that is between copy and chat reply. Tap on OK to confirm and tap on Delete Chat again, and you can see the indication of you deleted a chat. So that's it. Messages deleted automatically depend on the chosen setting for each chat, and manually deleted messages remove them from both sender and receiver only if done soon after sending. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.